Energy is central to our very existence. Without energy, there's no power. Without power, nothing moves.
We employ more than 40,000 people, and we contribute more than 500 million taxes every month.
Has this price regulation been beneficial?
It has led to product availability.
It's rather injected highly destructive competition.
Deregulation has done the sector a lot of good.
The Energy Commission has since 2013 been implementing the energy efficiency rules.
Electric vehicle is the future of mobility.
So JK Hogley Transport and Company Limited is a family-owned, African-owned business.
You get told all the time that it's not an area for women.
Whatever your dreams are, go out there and conquer them.
This is what we do on Energy Quest. We demystify the energy sector.
My name is Lesley Arthur Asiedu.
Energy Quest, looking into the future.